Hello, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the heart of Korean cuisine to explore the delightful and lesser-known dish called Janchi Guksu. Get ready to uncover the maximum unknown facts and unique traditions surrounding these banquet noodles. Let's begin this mouth-watering adventure together. Janchi Guksu holds a special place in Korean culture, often served during celebratory occasions and gatherings. The name itself, Janchi, means banquet, signifying the importance of this dish in bringing people together and fostering a sense of community and celebration. Let's talk about simplicity and flavor of Janchi Guksu. Although seemingly simple, Janchi Guksu boasts an explosion of flavors. The thin, handmade noodles are cooked to perfection and served in a savory broth that is both comforting and satisfying. The magic lies in the subtlety of its taste, making it a crowd pleaser for all ages. One of the unique aspects of Janchi Guksu is the tradition of making handmade noodles. Passed down through generations, this meticulous process involves skillful hands that shape the noodles into the perfect texture and thickness. Isn't it interesting? As with many Korean dishes, Janchi Guksu boasts regional variations across the country. From north to south and east to west, each region adds its unique twist to the dish, offering a diverse and delightful experience for food enthusiasts. Janchi Guksu is often garnished with a colorful array of toppings. From sliced vegetables to boiled eggs and even seasoned meat, these additions enhance the dish's taste and presentation, creating a feast for both the eyes and the palate. Beyond its role in banquets, Janchi Guksu can be enjoyed in various settings. Whether it's a simple family meal or a quick lunch, these noodles are a go-to comfort food in Korean households. In addition to its delicious taste, Janchi Guksu offers health benefits too. The homemade noodles are typically made with simple ingredients, providing a wholesome and nourishing option for those seeking a balanced diet. Janchi Guksu continues to be a beloved dish in modern Korean culture. It has even made appearances in K-dramas and variety shows, cementing its status as a cultural icon. There you have it, our journey through the heartwarming world of Janchi Guksu, filled with maximum unknown facts and delightful surprises. I hope you enjoyed learning about these Korean banquet noodles as much as I did. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future food adventures. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep exploring and keep savoring the wonders of food.